Hi everyone, let's see how you can find your Windows username in 6 different ways. To get started, simply search for command prompt and open it. Now type who am I and hit enter. This will show you the username. You can also type echo space percentage username percentage and hit enter. This will also show the username. Now search for task manager and open it. Go to the users tab and you can see the username here as well. Now search for netplwiz and open it, and you can see the username here. Now search for control panel. Go to user accounts and you can see it here as well. Now open File Explorer. Go to your C drive, users folder, and you will find a folder named with the username here as well. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.